Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to disable system information notifications on BTCC account. So first we're going to go to the BTCC app. Then once you guys are here, going to click on the three lines on the top left corner. Then again, we're going to click on settings found at the top right corner. Then next we're going to click on app notifications. So as you can see, there's the system information setting. It's turned on, so we're going to turn it off. So from now on, you won't be notified about any system information. So that's the importance of the setting. We also have a video on how to enable it, so you guys can check it out as well. As I told you, we also have different videos on our how to tutorial playlist. Make sure to check them out as well. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.